Hi everyone, welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to Makeup. Today we're going to be going back to the basics. I'm going to be continuing my series on makeup bases and who they're for. Today we're going to be going over gel-based makeup, and knowing your base is one of the most important things that you can know so that you can implement it in your makeup routine for a flawless finish. And so yeah, today you're going to be learning everything you need to know about gel-based makeup, so let's get into it. Thing that we're going to be going over is what is gel-based makeup. So gel-based makeup is a great option for achieving a smooth and even complexion. With its lightweight texture, it feels like you're not even wearing makeup. So one of the things that's really popular about gel-based makeup is that it's very lightweight, and so it makes a pretty big difference, but it's not going to feel like anything's on your skin, which is really nice. Typically, gel-based makeup is composed of water, polymers, and other hydrating ingredients to give you that refreshing and cool sensation that you feel once it's applied onto your skin. And especially during the warmer months, it's really nice to have a formula like that. Also, I wanted to make sure that this was cleared up. Water and silicone-based makeup is not the same as gel-based makeup. Typically, gel-based makeup will have a higher water content, so it may, be described similar to water-based makeup, but it's not. They're totally separate things with totally separate results, and so I just wanted to clarify that because they sound similar, but they're not. Next, we're gonna go over the benefits of gel-based makeup. The first one is its lightweight feel. So I just mentioned this, but the thin consistency really makes it a great option if you're going for a light or natural makeup look and don't want to weigh down your skin. Also, if you're sensitive, like if you don't like a lot of makeup on your face or you just hate that feeling, gel-based makeup is also a good option just because of the light consistency that it is and that it has. Number 2, blendable. So gel-based primers, because of that lightweight texture and feel, they're also really easy to apply and you can actually build it up. So whether it's foundation or primer, and when you apply it, it's going to seamlessly glide onto your skin, allowing for a flawless finish. And again, it's perfect for those who want something that's natural and effortless. Number 3, buildable coverage. So because of that lightweight texture, it's really easy to build it up. So you can build it up till it just looks right. You can start out with a little bit and then build up as you go along. Also, if you love makeup looks that involve a lot of foundation and coverage, it's great because of the thin layer. You can really build it up to how you like it and what you prefer. Also, especially helpful for when you're doing something like your foundation or your concealer, and that's really like an eye thing, right? You have to really see and kind of call for when you want to stop applying it. So this is really great because of that lightweight consistency. Number 4, long lasting. So gel-based makeup is a lifesaver for when you want your makeup to last all day long. It's perfect for those of us who don't want to worry about touch-ups or reapplications, and you can go about your day with confidence knowing that your makeup is going to stay put. So again, we're just really tying everything back to that lightweight formula, but because it's so lightweight, it does a really good job at what it's supposed to do. And so it's really gonna hold up your base, and you're gonna find that you may not have to touch up your makeup as the day goes on, which can be really annoying if you have to do that every few hours. This way you don't really have to do that, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Number 4, cooling plus soothing. So this is an added bonus. Certain gel-based makeups will actually be cooling and soothing, especially if it's for your eyes, such as eye cream or concealer. You may find that you get a cooling or soothing sensation when you apply it. Specifically around the area for the eyes is to reduce puffiness. The next thing that we're going to talk about is what gel-based makeup can be found in. So this can be found in almost every form of makeup. So let's say you really like it and you try it out with your foundation and it's a hit. You can really apply it to all of your makeup routine, everything from concealer to eyeshadow to foundation to blush, bronzer, etc. It's really, really versatile, which is really nice. 5, who is gel-based makeup for? So this is super important to know, but gel-based makeup is not limited to just one skin type. It's actually suitable for oily, combination, and sensitive skin because of its lightweight texture, which minimizes the chance of clogged pores and breakouts. So this is really important to know. If you have sensitive skin or oily skin, this is a really great option because again, that lightweight texture is really going to help your skin. It's not going to weigh you down, but it's going to give you the added benefits that you need so that your makeup looks good as the day goes on. And also, if you have dry skin, don't worry. Gel-based makeup also contains hydrating ingredients in it, such as it almost being water-based, and so you can also use it. It may not work as well, but it's still a good option for you if you're interested in trying it out because of the benefits that you've heard from it. We're gonna go over how to know if your makeup is gel-based. So this is super important, but it's now time to check if the makeup that you own is gel-based. So sometimes on the packaging or like the label, it'll say gel-based or gel formula, and that'll kind of give you an indication if it is, but if not, you need to look at the ingredients list. So if you spot aqua on the list, it may indicate a gel-based due to that high water content that I mentioned earlier, but if not, look for words such as gel-based or gel polymer up to the first 5 ingredients, and these are typically, like the first 5 ingredients are typically what make up the base. And so if you see that pretty much means that you have a gel-based formula, and if you're stuck, just Google it, because most likely the brand will have a section answering questions like what's the base, or is it vegan, or something like that, and so Google will also answer it for you. Ask questions. How do I apply gel-based foundation for a natural finish? Make sure you prep your skin and apply the foundation in light and even streaks. After, you can use a fluffy brush just to blend it in, and then use some loose powder over it. My cats are roughhousing, so you may hear that in the background. The second question is, are gel-based eyeliners smudge-proof and long-lasting? So this also really just depends on the specific formula and brand, but typically they are known to have a long-lasting finish. 3, can gel-based lip products provide hydration and long-lasting color? This is the same thing. It truly depends on the brand and what it's made of, but typically, yes, anything that is gel-based is going to provide a great amount of hydration, and so it should be hydrating for you. Thank you so much for watching. That was a pretty quick video, but now you know everything you need to know about gel-based makeup and how it works. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along if you are a beginner to makeup. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.